The story of the river and the mountain. In a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a young boy named Kaido. Kaido was a curious and adventurous boy who loved to explore the world around him. One day, while wandering through the mountains, Kaido came across a wise old man who was sitting by a river. The old man was watching the river flow, and Kaido was fascinated by the peacefulness of the scene. The old man noticed Kaido's interest and beckoned him to come closer. "What do you see, young one?" the old man asked. Kaido looked at the river and said, "I see a river flowing smoothly and peacefully." The old man nodded and said, "Yes, the river is indeed peaceful. But have you ever wondered why it is so peaceful?" Kaido thought for a moment and then shook his head. I don't know," he said. The old man smiled and said, "The river is peaceful because it is flexible and adaptable. It flows around the rocks and the bends, never trying to force its way through. It is patient and gentle, and it never gets angry or frustrated." Kaido was amazed by the old man's words. He realized that he had never thought about the river's behavior before. The old man continued, "But what about the mountain? Have you ever noticed how the mountain stands tall and proud, never moving or changing?" Kaido nodded, and the old man said, "The mountain is strong and stubborn, refusing to budge or adapt. It is rigid and inflexible, and it often gets angry and frustrated when things don't go its way." Kaido thought about the mountain's behavior, and he realized that he had often acted like the mountain in his own life. He had been stubborn and inflexible, refusing to listen to others or adapt to new situations. The old man noticed Kaido's reflection and nodded. "Yes, young one, we can learn a lot from the river and the mountain. The river teaches us the importance of flexibility and adaptability, while the mountain teaches us the importance of strength and resilience." Kaido thanked the old man for his wisdom and promised to remember the lessons of the river and the mountain. From that day on, Kaido made a conscious effort to be more like the river, flowing smoothly and peacefully through life's challenges. As Kaido grew older, he faced many challenges and obstacles, but he never forgot the lessons of the river and the mountain. He remained flexible and adaptable, flowing smoothly through life's ups and downs. And when he faced difficult situations, he remembered the strength and resilience of the mountain. He stood tall and proud, refusing to give up or back down. The story of the river and the mountain teaches us the importance of balance and harmony in our lives. It reminds us that we need to be flexible and adaptable like the river, but also strong and resilient like the mountain. As we reflect on this story, let us remember the importance of finding balance and harmony in our own lives. Let us strive to be like the river, flowing smoothly and peacefully through life's challenges, but also like the mountain, standing tall and proud in the face of adversity. For it is in finding this balance and harmony that we can truly live a happy and fulfilling life. The story also teaches us the importance of self-reflection and personal growth. Kaido's encounter with the old man and the river and the mountain taught him valuable lessons about himself and his behavior. As we reflect on our own lives, let us remember the importance of self-reflection and personal growth. Let us strive to learn from our experiences and to become better versions of ourselves. For it is in embracing self-reflection and personal growth that we can truly become the best versions of ourselves.